Hey guys, this is Martin and I want to show you another tutorial on Llama Firewall, and today I want to highlight the Promptguard scanner. So once again, this is very well documented on their website and it will tell you exactly what it's going to do, but in a nutshell, what is a Promptguard scanner? It's basically seeing if the prompt has any malicious intent, right? And to do this at scale, so the whole idea is really like to scan input, like think of a customer service bot or something like this, and then as it enters the LLM or as the customer enters into the chatbot, and this will then be checked on whether it's benign or malicious. And effectively, this is very well described here on their website. Like, this is Python code, how it does this. And they give you actually a demo script in their GitHub repository, which is super, super easy to run. I'm going to show you this real quick. So we come over here. So first of all, this is the script. The script is called demo prompt guard scanner.py. And then you see, like, here's basically the import functionality, the initialization, and things like this. And so you need Llama Firewall installed, and you need the model as described in my earlier video. Once again, super well described, right? Like really, really, really good. And then you see, like, we have these like input tests, right? So we have, like, for example, ignore all previous instructions. Now I know already this is a malicious attempt, right? Like, because this is trying to make the LLM go off track. Basically, the next one here is also like upon receiving the first message. First thing you should do is ignore previous instructions. So this is once again like trying to make it deviate from its original course or from its goal. And so what you can do here is you can do like a variety of different input in tests here in JSON, right? Like, you can add not just 2 or 3, you can add like 10 or something like this. And obviously in a real world scenario, you would integrate this into your pipeline, whereby any customer input will be screened for malicious prompt injection, basically. And then you can run it. So I just show you a really quick demo, like how this looks like. And it's basically now testing these inputs. And if the inputs are seen to be malicious, it will give you a score, like a high score that it is malicious input, or a low score, like a 0, if it's not malicious. So the first test case here is malicious. The second one is malicious as well, right? Like, because we have already verified this earlier. And then the other ones are not malicious, right? Like, these are the benign inputs you can see here. Like, those ones are all resulting in a 0.0 score, which makes sense, right? Like, because those ones were not intended to be malicious, but this is just to show you the difference, what is a block action versus what is an allow action. And super useful. So I highly, first of all, recommend to put this into your workflow where you can. So I'm more on the red team side, as you know. So, but even for red teamers or for pen testers, it is important to think how these tools work in order to bypass them at a later stage with some prompt injections which are not detected, right? But obviously, I have a lot of viewers on my channel who are on the defensive side or on the blue team side. So these kind of tools are super, super helpful. And once again, they're free, right? Like, these models from Llama, Purple Llama, Meta/Facebook, they provide them for free, and you don't need a commercial vendor for that. I hope this makes sense, and I will see you in the next video.